Hi everyone, Ivy Marie Lim. Thank you for coming back. Nice to see you again. And I'm here once again to help you create a home, love, and life you love. So let's get to it. In today's Feng Shui video, I'm going to talk about mirrors. So mirrors has been used as a quick remedy in Feng Shui. It also has a very practical purpose outside of Feng Shui. Everyone has a mirror in their home, right? So here is some Feng Shui tips on how to intentionally and powerfully use the energy of mirrors and what it represents from a Feng Shui perspective. So mirrors are a metal energy. It also can have a water-like energy due to its reflective properties, but it is essentially metal because it's made out of metal. It has the characteristics of being able to double and to amplify, and it also has the other characteristics of being able to deflect. So there are ideal and not so ideal ways to place mirrors in your home. And Feng Shui is often also called the art of placement. So if you don't already know, Feng Shui is all about facilitating smooth flow, really optimizing the energetic flow within your home. So when it comes to mirrors, one of the biggest things is to allow energy to move into your home and throughout your space. So one of the biggest mistakes actually with Feng Shui is right at the front door. A lot of people have their mirrors directly facing the front door. And this is not ideal only because it has the aspect that the energy is coming into your home and then being deflected right out. So you want to be able to make sure that all that wonderful natural energy coming in through your front door is able to move through your home. So having it facing against the door, facing right in front of the door is not ideal. It's okay to have it perpendicular. Actually, it's most ideal to have it perpendicular because it also gives the appearance of widening and expanding your front door. And your front door is the very first place where chi energy can come into your home. Another great place to have mirrors is in the dining room. And you don't want this above any of the chairs, but typically you would like it facing the dining room table area, maybe above the buffet or a sideboard table. And again, this is a doubling energy. The dining room area is a place for gathering, it's a place for celebrating, it's a place for being with people. So you really want to amplify that positive energy in your dining room. And it's the same for the living room. As long as it is not above the sofa, then it's perfectly great actually to have it in the living room for the same reasons that it is a place for gathering, and you really want to double and expand that positive energy of being with other people. You don't want it over the bed, you don't want it over the sofa because it is a very heavy piece of furniture or decor, and you want to have that feeling of stability and safety whenever you're relaxed on the sofa or relaxing on the bed. So definitely not over the bed and not over the sofa. So speaking of the bedroom, one of the least ideal places for a mirror is also facing the bed. Again, it's a deflecting energy, and in the bedroom, having a mirror directly face the bed is also a clashing energy and also an amplifying energy as well. And the bedroom is to be used as a place for rest and relaxation. So you really want to be able to calm that energy down. If you don't have a choice but to have the mirror facing the bed in the bedroom, you can always cover it with, say, a silk scarf or a piece of cotton. Scarf is what I typically ask my Feng Shui clients to do when they don't have a choice but to have the mirror facing the bed when you sleep, you want to perhaps cover that mirror, use it as a part of your nighttime ritual. Really use the intention that you're going to rest and relax, and you're going to rejuvenate yourself. So you can also have that as part of your bedtime ritual. Another place that is not ideal to have the mirror is at the end of the hallway. Again, a hallway is a narrow energy. It's hard enough for, it's a narrow place, so it's hard enough for energy to move through the hallway. So the last thing you want to do is put a mirror at the end of the hallway. Again, that is allowing the energy to be deflected and not move through the hallway in a gentle manner. And last but not least, remember that it is all about your intention. You are the most powerful energetic force in your home, and it is about, Feng Shui is about anchoring what your intentions and your goals are, having that reflect in your reality, reflect in your environment as a way to symbolize and to remind you of what your intentions and your goals are, thus keeping you in inspired action. So I hope you like that. If you have any questions, do feel free to comment. I'm always replying and commenting back. I love to hear what you're dealing with, what you're struggling with, what you're hoping to amplify in your home or get more of. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. And also at the bottom of this video in the description is my free Feng Shui map. If you haven't downloaded already, there's a free Feng Shui BAGUA map with instructions on how to lay out the elements and all the other fun stuff when it comes to harnessing the energy of Feng Shui inside your home. Thanks, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.